Why does your scanner show the P22A0 engine code? What does it mean? P22A0 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor circuit, low input, bank 1, sensor 2. The P22A0 engine code for indicate the engine control module, ECM, or powertrain computer, is detecting an abnormally low or weak electrical signal from the downstream NOx sensor, typically found in the vehicle's exhaust system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty failing NOx sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, exhaust leaks, STCR or DEF system malfunctions, faulty engine control module, ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, BMW, Audi, Toyota, and Mitsubishi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.